menu and click on Home. Then click on Conditional Formatting. Now choose New Rule. After that, select Format only cells that contain. In the rule, change it to specific text. Then type the word, completed. Click on Format, go to Fill, and choose any color. Then press OK. Now we will create another rule. Again, click Conditional Formatting rightward arrow New Rule. Choose Format only cells that contain. Select specific text, and type, Pending. Click Format, choose any color, and press OK. Repeat the same steps again. For In Progress, choose any color. Finally, click OK to save all rules. Now you can see your Excel sheet. When you change the status, the color will change automatically. This makes your work more clear and professional. If you found this video useful, kindly like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.